Edge Connectivity and UNS workshop later this month. The first 50 paid attendees will receive a free PLC from PLCnext. Hey gang, I have an exciting announcement for everyone who is interested in participating in the Edge Connectivity and UNS workshop later this month, June 17, 18, and 19, 9 a.m. It's the workshop that we're doing for the second quarter of 2025 in lieu of the mastermind session, okay? Trent Christopher from 4.0 Hero, formerly of Omron, who's got 21 years in edge connectivity and automation and device management, is going to be leading that workshop. We have finalized the partnership with Phoenix Contact. Very exciting announcement. We have finalized the partnership with Phoenix Contact, where the first 50 paid attendees, okay, so these are people who take the workshop a la carte, will receive a free PLC from PLCnext. Okay, so you have to have a US mailing address. Okay, the PLC that you're going to receive is the AXCF 2152. It's the PLCnext industrial controller. Okay, it's a little white device, yay big. Supports IEC 61131. It's got Linux operating system running on it, Node-RED. You can run Python, MQTT, OPCOA, you name it. It is a Industry 4 IIoT edge device. It meets the minimum technical requirements for an Industry 4 UNS architecture. Okay, perfect for testing edge native architectures after the workshop. The first 50 people, so there are 26 people who have signed up for the workshop, I think, so far, who have U.S. mailing addresses. Okay, if you have a U.S. mailing address and you have signed up for the workshop at IIoT.university, that is, you're purchasing the workshop a la carte, you are going to get a free PLCnext industrial controller mailed to you at a U.S. mailing address. Okay, a huge thank you to PLCnext for reaching out to us, okay, and offering this deal. I mean, it's phenomenal. They're literally giving away 50 units for free. Okay. The information on the workshop is down in the description below. I want to clarify a couple things. Number one, you do not have to have a PLCnext PLC to do the workshop. This is Trent is going to be doing using mostly open source tools when he's doing the workshop. Okay, the 3-day workshop. All participants are going to get a VM, lab files, and full tool access. The hardware is a bonus. It's not a prerequisite, okay? The reason that we decided to do this with PLCnext is because it will help attendees continue their hands-on learning after the workshop. So you're going to be able to take what you learn in the workshop, and now you'll have a device that you can do this testing with, okay? That's the big thing. If you look at what 4.0 Hero and Brian Pryby's company, Mock Controls, did at Prove It, and Dustin Symes' company did at Prove It, they had like this incredible Prove It setup with all of these devices in their booth. Not everyone has those devices. I have this awesome test lab back here, but most of the devices I have back there are people sending them to me to trial, okay? So this is going to give you an opportunity to continue your hands-on learning after the workshop, okay? Number two, it's going to reinforce our mission to equip the community with real tools, okay? Huge thank you to PLCnext for that. All right, and Phoenix Contact. So the folks at Phoenix Contact, they reached out to us and offered this. And I just want to say something. That's not possible without this community. Okay, I cannot tell you that how important the Industry 4 community is to affecting change in our industry. And this is just one more example. We literally have a trusted partner in Phoenix Contact who we've worked with before. We did a mastermind session on the PLCnext PLC. We've been working with Ira Sharp and that team, Zach Stank, forever. But they reached out to us and made this offer. And they're eating the cost. And that's not possible without this community. All right? So I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to the community. And number two, I want to thank you to the bottom of my heart to Phoenix Contact and the PLCnext folks. All right? So with that, if you're interested in the workshop, go to IIoT.university and you're going to look for the Edge Connectivity and Unified Namespace Workshop, which is taking place June 17, 18, and 19 at 9 a.m. It's 3 days in a row. It's going to be 2 to 4 hours each day. You can get all the information you want on that workshop, but if you're one of the first 50 people to sign up who has a U.S. mailing address, and this just has to do with export controls and all that stuff. I'm sorry, there's nothing we can do about that part. If you're one of the first 50 people who's got a US mailing address, you're going to get this free PLC courtesy of PLCnext. All right, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you in the next one.